You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Yes, indeed, it looks like it should be said Whittaker, right, or Whittaker. But it's actually pronounced in British English, and we'll get to the American pronunciation in a second. British English, UK, Whittaker, 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 stress on the first syllable. Now in American English in the US, it's usually said rather as Whittaker, Whittaker. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.